all of the other demos today. This is like the minimum HTML5 markup that you should use to build a new page. The HTML5 specification also defines new elements. Let me run this site. This is a site from Madzgjer, I think to pronounce it right. I found it very interesting because it shows several of the new elements in the HTML5 spec. And those elements, if we look, for example, here, are the header. There is a navigation bar. There is a section. And then there is a footer. Inside the content, you will find an aside panel. Or if we go here, you will find a new element called figure. And then together with the figure, there is also a fig caption element. So those are new HTML markup elements. How are they different from the div element? They're not. But they add like semantic meaning to the page. And so things like a screen reader will be able to understand where the content is, where the navigation bar is, where the header is. Or a search engine will be able to index better the content because it will skip maybe the footer and will go straight to the real content or to the navigation bar. And we'll be able to understand better how your page is built. Do you have to use those elements? Honestly, I believe not, unless in your scenarios are useful. So these are just some of the new markup news in the HTML5 specification. There are then a few very, very popular tags from the HTML5 spec, and in particular the video and the canvas. And I'm going to treat those as a separate tag. Let's start with the video. And let's start with making a video, right? So I have here a camera. Now, there are two interesting things about this camera. The first one is